Good afternoon, students. So let us start with today's class. That is electromagnetic wave. Yesterday we have started already this lesson. So what do you mean by electromagnetic wave? What is displacement current? What is the expression for the displacement current? We have discussed already. Okay. Then after that, how you are describing the Maxwell's equation. So Maxwell equation in terms of the displacement current, how you are expressing, that also we have seen in the last class. Next, electromagnetic spectrum. So what is electromagnetic spectrum? We know in the electromagnetic spectrum, we have some 7 rays here. In that we have discussed about the gamma rays. In that we have discussed about the X-rays. In that we have discussed about the UV rays. So next we are discussing the next 3 radiations now. That is the IR rays, infrared, microwaves, visible light, and radio waves. So ee ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿ remaining 4 ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ discuss ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. Okay. So for that, okay, gamma rays, visible light we will discuss. So in the visible light here, students, so visible light, or it is also called as visible rays. So these visible rays are having the wavelength. So the wavelength is 8 into 10 raised to minus 7 meter to 4 into 10 raised to minus 7 meter. And the frequency is 4 into 10 raised to 14 hertz to 7 into 10 raised to 14 hertz. This is the frequency range and the wavelength range. So whatever the surrounding you are able to see, that is because of the this visible light anta helbodu. So you are able to see your surrounding because of the visible light itself. So you are observing the photosynthesis process. So you will use this helbeku anta andre for the visible light, that is in the photosynthesis. So everybody knows what is photosynthesis process. So in the photosynthesis process, we can see this visible light, and then next here we use it in the photocells. We are using it in the photocells. Third one we are using, means we are seeing around surrounding because of the visible light anta helbodu. These are the 3 applications for the visible light. Okay. So in our day-to-day life, whatever the light you are able to see around you, that is nothing but the visible light. Yes. The next one we are going, students, that is the infrared rays. These infrared rays are also called as the IR rays anta heltare. So shortly it is also called as the IR rays or the IR radiations anta helbodu. Okay. So these IR radiations are having the frequency 10 raised to 11 hertz to 5 into 10 raised to 14 hertz, and the wavelength is 5 into 10 raised to minus 3 meter to 10 raised to minus 6 meters. So this is regarding the frequency and the wavelength. Hagadre uses enen baratte nodana for the IR radiations. These IR radiations are used in the long distance photography. So long distance photography, we use this IR radiations. Long distance photography, we are using the IR radiations. The second one, they are used in the muscle pain. So muscle pain treatment or the muscular pains and skin diseases. So skin disease kuda idan use ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ for the treatment. They are used to diagnose. They are used to diagnose the tumors. So diagnose the tumors and stimulate blood circulation, and they are used to stimulate blood circulation. They are used to stimulate the blood circulation. Next, they are also used in the production of the dehydration of the fruits. Okay. So naviga ಕೆಲವೊಂದು fruits ಅನ್ನು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, dehydrate ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. We store it by dehydrating such fruits. So for the dehydration of the fruits, we are using the IR radiations. One more last use is they are used to protect the food stuffs from the decaying. So ಇದೇನ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ decaying ಆಗೋದನ್ನ, food ಎಲ್ಲ ಈ ಪ್ಯಾಕೆಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಫುಡ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ they will get decayed after some time. So adana protect madlikke we are using the IR radiations andre packed foods to avoid the decaying we are using the IR radiations anta navilli helbodu students. Okay, so this is regarding the IR radiations uses. The next the frequency and the wavelength range. So similarly we discussed for the visible light also, ultraviolet, X-rays, gamma rays. So the last two it is remaining now, that is the microwaves and the radio waves. So let us discuss them. That is microwaves and the radio waves. Yes, so ಕೆಳಗಡೆಯಿಂದ discuss ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ. So we will go for the microwaves now. So in the microwaves, what you are observing, the microwaves are having the wavelength range 10 raised to 0.3 to 10 raised to minus 3 meter. 0.3 meter to 10 raised to minus 3 meter. This is the wavelength. Then next, similarly, the frequency is also given 10 raised to 9 hertz to 10 raised to 12 hertz. This is regarding the frequency. Now, the uses of the microwaves, students. So please copy down the uses of the microwaves. They are used in the microwave ovens. Okay, so they are used in the ovens. Then next, in the radar system. In the radar system, we use it. Then next, they are okay. Then next here they are used in the ovens. They are used in the radar system. Okay. Then next here they are having the short wavelength. They are suitable for the radar system, which are in the aircraft anta helbodu. Okay, these are the uses of the microwaves here, students. Then next here the last one, spectrumally last one, that is the radio waves. So the radio waves are having the frequency range 500 kilohertz to 1000 megahertz, and the wavelength range is given as 600 meter to 0.1 meter. This is the wavelength. Next, so radio waves, mainly radio waves ಎಲ್ಲಿ use ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ? They are used in the communication system. Okay, these are used in the radio and the television communication system. These are produced by accelerated motion of the charges in the wires. So ಇದು radio waves ಅನ್ನು ನಾವು ಯಾವ ರೀತಿಯ ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು ಅಂದ್ರೆ, they are produced by accelerated motion of charges in wires. Okay, so telecommunication andre television irbodu, radio irbodu, ಎಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲಿ communication system ಇದೆ, that is they are all used based on the radio waves anta ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. Okay, so these are the regarding all the 7 spectrums. So these are the category of the electromagnetic waves anta helbodu. So generally electromagnetic waves in category ide andre in characteristics ide, it is applicable for these 7 also, and also these are having some particular uses which we have discussed now. Yes, any doubt, students? Very small lesson, I told you already. Okay, yes. So if this is clear to you, we will discuss some questions on this topic. Okay, I'll share the questions now. Just a minute. Yes, see. So the first question you can see here, students. The first question what they're asking, the velocity of electromagnetic waves in free space is. Yes, answers I'm expecting from you. A velocity of electromagnetic waves in a free space is. So velocity ST there for the electromagnetic waves. First option 3 into 10 raised to minus 8, 3 into 10 raised to plus 8, 3 into 10 raised to plus 8 but kilometer per second, 3 into 10 raised to minus 8 kilometer per second. So usually what you have, the velocity of light in vacuum, the same value, that is option B is the correct answer. 3 into 10 raised to 8 meter per second. Yes. So go for the next question. Maxwell in his famous equation of electromagnetic introduced the concept of, very simple question, AC current, displacement current, DC current, impedance. Option B, that is the displacement current. Okay. Go for the next question. One of the inconsistency of Ampere's circuital law fails to determine the magnetic field of the conduction current, fails to determine the magnetic field due to the displacement current, both A and B, none of these. Yes. Ampere's circuital law, the inconsistency is due to the displacement current itself. That is option B is the correct answer, students. Yes, next one. Which of the following rays is not an electromagnetic wave? X-rays, gamma rays, beta rays, heat rays. Yes, which one of the following is not a electromagnetic waves? C is the correct answer. Beta rays. Beta rays are the not in the electromagnetic waves. The quantity mu naught epsilon naught represents inverse of the speed of the light in vacuum, speed of light, speed of sound, speed of electromagnetic. Yes. So if you remember in the properties of the electromagnetic waves, we have seen that the speed of light in the vacuum is given by under root of mu naught epsilon naught. So therefore, illen ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, that is under root of mu naught epsilon naught is given by what? It is 1 divided by C. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ inverse of the speed of light in vacuum, option A is the correct answer. Option A is the correct answer. Yes, which radiation? Okay, sixth one is A. Which radiations are used in the treatment of the muscle pain? Yes, just now we have discussed it is in the infrared rays. Option A is the correct answer. Go for the next question. Which of the following electromagnetic wave used in the treatment of cancer? C. So usually that is which question it is? Seventh question, ala? Okay. X-rays and gamma rays will be used here, students, but X-rays are not there. We can go for option C. That is the gamma rays is the correct answer. So which of the following is used for the ಏನಂತ ಕೇಳಿದರೆ, that is for the cancer treatment. There is option C, gamma rays. Go for question number 8. Yes, what is question number 8? Which of the following has the maximum energy? Which of the following has the maximum energy? Option D, gamma rays. Yes, correct. Go for the next question. Which has the minimum energy? Yes. So gamma rays are having the highest energies, and they have the short wavelength and the highest frequency. So here you remember one point, that is the gamma rays are having highest energy and the shortest wavelength and the highest frequency. Among all the radiations, gamma rays are having these properties. And similarly, the radio waves have the lowest energy. So remember, the radio waves are having the lowest energy, longest wavelength, and the lowest frequency. Yes. So remember that, so that you can answer few more questions also in this similar type. Which of the following law was modified by Maxwell by introducing the displacement current? Already you know it is the Ampere's law. So question number 10, option B is the correct answer, students. What is the nature of the electromagnetic wave? Yes, yesterday we have discussed this. What is the nature of the electromagnetic wave? It is transverse in nature. That is option A is the correct answer. What is the angle between the electric field vector and the magnetic field of electromagnetic waves? What is the angle between the vectors? Andre electric field ಮತ್ತೆ magnetic field ಮಧ್ಯೆ ಏನ್ angle ಬರುತ್ತೆ? That is the 90 degree. Option A is the correct answer here, students. Going for the next question. Displacement current is it is the current due to time varying magnetic field. It is the current due to time varying electric field. It is the current due to time varying both magnetic field and electric field. It is the current due to constant magnetic field. Yes, it is the current due to what? Displacement current is B option, due to electric field. Yes, option B is the correct answer. Go for the next question. Okay, this already I told you. See, the minimum frequency wave in which the electromagnetic spectrum, yes, which is having the minimum wavelength, sorry, minimum frequency they are asking. Which is having the minimum frequency? ಈಗಷ್ಟೇ ಲೀಸ್ಟ್ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೆ ಅಲ್ಲ ನಾನು. ಎಸ್, ರಿಗಾರ್ಡಿಂಗ್ gamma rays I told you. In the gamma rays, highest energy, lowest wavelength, and highest will be the frequency. Here what they are asking, minimum wavelength will be for the, that is for the radio waves. Minimum frequency and wavelength are reciprocal. Which ray are used in the photosynthesis? Yes, question number 15. What is the answer? Which rays are used in the photosynthesis phenomena? That is the visible light. Yes, correct answer. The next question, for dehydrated fruits, the ray used. For dehydrated fruits, the ray used. C, yes, that is the IR rays are used for the dehydration of the fruits. Okay, so just you can see some of the probable questions from this topic, students. What is displacement current? Already you know, write the expression for that. This also we have discussed. Mention the need of the displacement current. They are asking who predicted the existence of the electromagnetic waves. Give the wavelength range of electromagnetic spectrum. And the full spectrum then wavelength range is there. Mention the two characteristics of electromagnetic waves. So we have discussed 6 characteristics. Any two you can specify. The next one, what are electromagnetic waves? Write the expression for the velocity of the electromagnetic waves in terms of permittivity and magnetic permeability of free space. The next, write the relation between the magnitude of the electric field and the magnetic field, and name the type of electromagnetic rays lying between ultraviolet and gamma rays. So, 2 uses of the microwaves. Question number 9, what kind of electromagnetic waves are used in the radio communication? Yes, and remaining all questions are asked for the uses of the different rays. Question number 15 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ, arrange the following electromagnetic waves in ascending order of the wavelength ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ 2 ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಗೊತ್ತಿರ್ಲಿ. ಒಂದು, ಬೇಸ್ಡ್ ಆನ್ ದ ವೇವ್ಲೆಂತ್ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿ ಅರೇಂಜ್ ಆಗತ್ತೆ, ಅಸೆಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಕೇಳ್ಬೋದು, ಡಿಸೆಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಕೇಳ್ಬೋದು ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ, ಹೌದಾ? ಅಂಡ್ ಸಿಮಿಲರ್ಲಿ ವಿತ್ ರೆಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ ಟು ಫ್ರೀಕ್ವೆನ್ಸಿ. ಸೊ ಫ್ರೀಕ್ವೆನ್ಸಿ highest will be for the gamma rays, lowest will be for the radio waves. So accordingly you need to remember to rearrange the terms. ಸೊ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ವೇವ್ ಲೆಂತ್, ಫ್ರೀಕ್ವೆನ್ಸಿ ಮತ್ತೆ ಎನರ್ಜಿ ಈ 3 ಇದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಹೌ ಟು ಅರೇಂಜ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಅಂತ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿರ್ಲಿ ಅಂತ ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, and the remaining all are what? The uses what you have studied, that you need to remember. Yes, so as I told you, the chapter is very small. This completes your entire electromagnetic waves topic. So we can expect 2 to 3 marks in the exam. So 2 to 3 marks alli displacement current ಮೇಲೆ ಏನಾದರೂ question ಬರೋ chances ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಅದನ್ನ ಬಿಟ್ಟು the question will come from the spectrum side. Yes, go through all the questions. If any doubt is there in any of the question, you can ask. ಸೊ ಆನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಟಾಪಿಕ್ ನ್ಯೂಮರಿಕಲ್ ಅಂತ ಏನ್ ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಆಗಿ ಬರಲ್ಲ, ಬಂದ್ರೂ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಈಗಷ್ಟೇ ಏನೇನ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ, ಲೈಕ್ ಡಿಸ್ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಕರೆಂಟ್, ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರೋಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನೆಟಿಕ್ ವೇವ್ಸ್, ಸೊ ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಏನೇನ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಷನ್ ನೋಡಿದೀವಿ ಅದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸಿ okay. We will plan the test from next week onwards if it is possible. We will plan. How we will plan? How you want students? We will do it all together. 2 topics, 3 topics. ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಇಷ್ಟಪಡ್ತೀರಾ ಬರೀಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಟೆಸ್ಟ್? ಟೂ ಟಾಪಿಕ್ಸ್, ಒನ್ ಟಾಪಿಕ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಲೇಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. 2 topics ಕಂಬೈನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಫಿಸಿಕ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ 8 ಟಾಪಿಕ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಸೊ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಮೇಕ್ ಇಟ್ ಲೈಕ್ 8 ಟಾಪಿಕ್ಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 2 to 4 ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಕಂಡಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ಹೌದಾ? Okay. Yes, we will plan that. So very soon we will let you know regarding the test. Okay. Yes. Any doubts, students, in this topic? So tomorrow we have scheduled for the revision of the topics. Okay. ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಏನಾದ್ರು ಡೌಟ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರು ಲೆಸನ್ ಮೇಲೆ you can get the doubts here so that we can discuss the doubts. Yes, any topic revision you want? Any topic, any concepts? ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರು ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಏನಾದ್ರು can we? Numerical we can do, no problem. Numericals also we can discuss. So if it is possible for you to send the numericals in the group or else separately to the ma'ams, you can forward it to chemistry ma'am, Richa ma'am, so that I can get it from her because I am not there in the group. So if you forward ma'am, then I can take the questions and I can solve that in the class. So as you wish, students. Okay, ಅದನ್ನ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಬೇರೆ ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರು topics, particular topics ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರು revise ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾ? Because entire one book we have completed and maximum questions will be covered from this part. Yes, your choice. You can tell ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಯಾವ ಟಾಪಿಕ್ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಥವಾ ರಿವೈಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಏನಾದ್ರು ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಏನಾದ್ರು ಇದ್ರೆ you are free to tell that so that tomorrow we can. Yes, okay, no problem. You go through the points, you go through the lesson. So tomorrow whichever lesson you want me to do revision, I can continue with that. Otherwise some numericals I'll solve it. ಎಲ್ಲ ಲೆಸನ್ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಒಂದ್ಸಲಿ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಎಸ್, ಈ ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿ ನಾಳೆ ರಿವಿಷನ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಇದೆ. ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಟುಮಾರೋ ಅಂಡ್ ನೋ, ಟುಮಾರೋ ಇಸ್ ಸ್ಯಾಟರ್ಡೇ. ಎಸ್, ಸೊ ಇಫ್ ಟುಮಾರೋ ಇಸ್ ಸ್ಯಾಟರ್ಡೇ, then tomorrow we will do that. Monday onwards we can start with the new topic, students. Okay, so if there is no doubt, okay, tomorrow I'll discuss that. Okay, chapter wise plan ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಸೊ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ ವೈಸ್ ಏನೇನ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಬಂತು, ಯಾವ್ದಾವ್ದು ಡೆರಿವೇಶನ್ ಬಂದಿದೆ ಅದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ, ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ್ದಾವ್ದು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ಆ ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗೋಣ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಟುಮಾರೋ ವಿ ವಿಲ್ ಮೀಟ್. ಸೊ there is no points again to discuss in this lesson also. Tomorrow we will meet, students. Okay, thank you, bye.